guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can recover your GoCardless account. So if your GoCardless account is lost, or if you've forgotten your password and you've been unable to use your GoCardless account, then you just need to go to your sign-in page first and type in your email address, and you can see this forgotten password over here. So you can just tap on it, tap on submit, and it has been said that they will reset your password if this email address is valid. So even after that, if you still can't access your account, then tap on this one and then you can submit a request. You can write in your email address and you can type in what do you want help with. And you can also drop screenshots over here and finally submit them. So guys, that's how you recover your GoCardless account. If you found this video helpful, then leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.